Good afternoon. Before I commence, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I'm 100% sure that you won't regret. So, this is our last day. Well, maybe not for Rohit because he always says, "Na 10th fail." I'm here to deliver a speech. A speech? Don't worry, I won't be giving a typical speech. I have something new. These days, everybody is on the computer. Therefore, I will be sharing my views in that same language. So now I am switching on my computer language. We have signed up and logged into Vidyajyoti from past 12 years. We have made so many mutual friends, shared and updated all our joys and sorrows. The teachers of Vidyajyoti were never offline. They were always online in the help center. But now, it's time to log out from this account. But we do promise that the time that we have spent here in this campus will never be blocked, nor will it be deactivated from this account. Now let me switch off the technical language. At this juncture, how could I could never forget the people who played a major role in shaping, molding me, and laying a strong foundation without which it's impossible to stand in front of you all. I am thankful to the management, Dr. Manohar and Rupashri Manohar, for the vision to provide such a great education. I am thankful to them for establishing a great institution and giving us an opportunity to study here. I have no more words to express their gratitude. My gratitude goes to our second mother at school, Vandana ma'am. Ma'am, you bestowed a lot of love and care over us. We cannot forget the way you taught Bhagavad Gita. Thank you, ma'am. Narrating beautiful moral stories, engaging us in activities, bearing and getting tired of our nuisance and nonsense. Thank you, Vanjakshi ma'am and Champa ma'am, for tolerating us patiently. Two in mind, four on fingers, striving hard to make us learn tables and the concepts of plus, minus, into, division. Thank you, Bhagya ma'am, for your creative teaching. Coming out with new ideas to calm us, narrating many stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata, and motivating us towards progress. Thank you, Madhuvati ma'am, for your inspiring words. Engaging us in experiments, assignments and projects, helping us to think, to predict, and helping us to be more creative by introducing the Cotton World competition. Thank you, Shobha ma'am, our 5th standard teacher, for making us creative. The second father in our school, who always remained calm and cool, forgiving and forgetting all our pranks with a smile. Thank you, Antony sir, for teaching us how to forgive. I thank our 6th standard class teacher, Sridevi Guruji, for inculcating spiritual values in us through your inspirational words. Our 7th and 8th standard class teacher, Fatima ma'am, I thank you for making impossible things happen, like our class winning award for best discipline. Instilling positive fears in order to maintain discipline in us. Thank you, Sharda ma'am, for guiding us. Insisting us to write legibly, neat with correct spellings, and motivating us to learn Kannada. Thank you, Shobha ma'am, for creating interest in Kannada. I thank all the present new teachers who are present here for helping our juniors. Recording all our activities and capturing them in his camera, helping us to relish the memories of past. Thank you for your aid, Manjunath sir. Rajeshwari ma'am, Joe sir, Manjunath sir, Ramsheshu sir, Nagesh sir and Ramesh sir. I thank you all for adding colors to our life with music, dance, art, games and storybooks and keeping us safe in the campus. My special thanks goes for all my Aya aunties and driver uncles for providing us a clean and safe environment. I also thank the 9th standard students for their beautifully crafted invitation and organizing this valediction. My memories of 10th standard are very fresh. I would like to present them in a poetic style. The first few lines are dedicated to our principal ma'am. Often coming to your chamber, requesting for games and sports, and you occasionally saying okay, or sometimes forwarding our request to our class teacher. Never will we forget this memory. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. Next, Naidu sir. Eagerly waiting for our games period, suddenly disheartened with the news to attend computer class. Later finding the class amusing, as he narrates us stories of his life. Never will we forget these stories. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. Our class teacher, Sunita ma'am, being kind at heart and tough for the exterior, for the betterment of students, always preparing worksheets in an exam point of view, and we finding it interesting and sometimes tough to solve. Never will we forget these times. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. Jai Lakshmi ma'am, posing questions and answering before we can answer it. Relating examples of our class to explain different anecdotes and different contexts. Never will we forget those anecdotes. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. Next, chemistry teacher Subbareddy sir. Being annoyed by our noise and saying, "Hey Jaffa, stand up." And sometimes entertaining us by imitating the old Tollywood actors like Balkrishna and NTR. Never will we forget these words, Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. Guru Narayan sir, slipping into the fantasy that you narrate, always wanting to be the first one to find the word in the dictionary. And the only sound that jolt us back to reality is not that of Inchcape bell, but it's of our school bell. Muralidhar sir, striving hard to make us silent, striving hard to make us complete our assignments, but we submitting the assignments at our own time and own date. Never will we forget these times. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. Basha sir, giving us toughest problems to solve, we finding it sometimes interesting or sometimes boring. Thus we are always in our own world. Never will we forget those mischievous days. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. Sridevi ma'am, trying hard to use the smart class, which unfortunately was out of order. Lowering our BP by teaching memory techniques. Never will we forget those techniques. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. History teacher Lakshmi ma'am, suddenly catching hold of those who are asleep, firing a volley of questions at him. Seeing the helpless condition of our friend, we trying to pass answers. Never will we forget those moments. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. And this is for my friends. Having fun almost every time we meet, occupying a full row in the movie theater, gaming, playing, eating pani puris. Never will I forget those times. Jab tak hai jaan, jab tak hai jaan. Dear teachers, all these years you were always encouraging us with your thunderous claps, but today we would like to give an applause for a selfless service. Now I request my friends to please stand up. Instead of doing the regular clap, please just follow me. This is called a rain clap. When I say one, tap one finger on your palm. When I say two, two fingers. Likewise, the full. So let's begin. One. Keep tapping. It's like a clap. 2, 3, 4, 5. Louder. 4, 4, 3, 2.